Perfect. Okay. Let's see. Let's get this. We can start. Okay. All right. Make sure I'm ready here. Okay, got that. Well, I need the sandbox. Yeah, okay. All right, let's do this. All right, hello everybody. How's it going? So when we left off, I was looking up on. Oh, let's turn that down. I was looking up on how to do some backgrounds for these rooms I have to do that we're going to be doing for a game. And what I learned pretty quickly is that'll be very, very easy to do a game like this using using basically just cut and paste, where I could just search for any picture on Google and put in place, and that would be a game. That would be an easy way to do the game. I have a problem with that. That just seems too easy. I mean, I get that us computer science people are a lazy breed. I mean, you know, um, ooh, we have, yeah. I get that us computer science people are a lazy breed. Like we can just check and see that that's running. That we take shortcuts and all that, though. Um, I don't know. I feel like you could do something better. So I think what I want to do is I want to. I think I need to draw my own. I think I need to draw my own. I'll still be cutting and pasting, I think, but okay. So here I can change the palettes of palettes of. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll just use palette. But as you saw last time, it was taking a long time. So I wonder what could be used for drawing, and that's what we're doing today. This is not going to be a long episode. Picture editor. That's what you need right here. Okay. Okay, so if you're following along, let's just go through the picture editor because I think I need to do this. The picture editor shows the picture itself in the main window, and the picture command list on the right. While SCI 1 and above supports bitmap graphics, SCI 0, that was the one that I was using. Pictures are actually a series of vector drawing commands, and the editor reflects that limitation. Bitmaps can be converted into vector drawings for SCI 0, but the process is inefficient, so you need to think. You need to get used to thinking like the editor. And so what we're seeing is how, if you can see that, this is a scene from Laura Bow. See how it's painstakingly drawn like that? I think we're gonna have to do that. Okay, so pick consists of 3 screens: the visual, the priority, and the control. We'll get to priority and control in later on in our tutorial. Um, let's bypass that for now. We're interested in visual. In all cases, the pics are just a series of drawing commands that are replayed when the image is drawn in the game. All right, for SCI 1 and above, SCI supports bitmaps for backgrounds, but control and priority screens are still vector-based. Okay, and here is a comparison of our vector EGA and our vector EGA and bitmapped VGA. And this is based on Conquest of Glory. Okay, so drawing methods for different screens of various SCI versions. This is us right here. SCA 1, bitmap, and vector. Okay. Let's see, priority screen, we can go over that. Control screen, slider bar. Okay, this is what we're talking about here. This is click on a command in a toolbox pane, and the picture will move to that point. A thin green line will remind you exactly where you're positioned. That'll make sense when you start drawing. Okay, so there are 3 main drawing tools: the pen, fill, and line. Unlike SCI Studio, which we're not going to concern ourselves with, SCI Companion doesn't make you choose between short and long versions. The editor will automatically use the most space-efficient commands when saving the pic to the game file. So that's something we don't need to worry about. All right, so let me see. Pen tool. It says the pen tool is not available for SCI 1 and above, so we're not going to worry about that. Fill tool. Okay. All right. Fill tool is one of the biggest sources of frustration with people drawing their own pics because it only allows you to fill blank, previously unfilled areas. I suppose CR did this so the artist would be forced to be space efficient. At any rate, it is an annoying but unavoidable feature. Design your picture with this in mind. Okay. Line tool. Okay, that's nothing. Choosing color. Command list. Deleting commands. Copying, pasting. Oh, I see. Okay, so you can copy and paste. That's handy. You could use that. A fake ego. Because that's just to test your character. That's all right. Priority bands. We'll get to that at a later time. Here it is. Okay. You can paste a bitmap into the picture editor and it will be used as a tracing image. You can also open an image from the file. And tracing image can be turned on or off and its opacity can be set. I think this is what we're going to have to do. Every single damn room is going to have to be traced. Okay, if you realize you need to make some changes in an earlier portion of the pic, it can be tedious to scroll back to make modifications. Instead, you can change your line, fill in and pen commands with the transform coordinations. Oh, that's handy. This works in combination of drawing tool when active. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So you can pull things. I like that. That's good. I like that. Okay. EGA pick palettes. We are not going to be concerning ourselves with that because we have a lot more. See, this was the color set I was forced to use, so I'm not gonna. No, I'm not gonna do that. So that's okay. Converting a. We did see some of this with the loading up a background image onto our VGA game. It didn't. Well, it did a cleaner job than this, obviously, because this is dealing with a much restricted palette than. But that's fine. Whatever. We're not going to concern ourselves with that. Yeah, there it is. See it? Right there. Okay. Right. Does it say anything about shifting? Okay, so that is zoom region, pixel placement. Oh, yes. Yeah. Okay. All right. So I think this is what we're going to have to do. We're going to have to draw. We're going to have to use transfers. So, yeah, here it is. Tracing image. We're going to need. So basically, tracing paper is the name of the game here. There's something else I want to check here as well. It's been bothering me. This has to do with working. Would you just? Okay, fine. Okay. Basic tutorial. Interact with objects. Okay. Yeah, that color shifter. Where is it now? View, shift colors. Okay. Let's go to our SCI companion. Let's load that up. All right, going to load up our werewolves game. Now you see we got all these views left to go through. Okay, first of all, let's shift the transparency to our pink color. Okay. Let me see. View. All right, let's start with this guy's butt here. View. Shift colors. I thought so. Oh my lord. Okay. So, yeah. Yep, I knew it. All right. Okay, so see, this is how I should have done it. Okay. What just happened there? I see what we can do. And then, yeah, see that? Took much less time. Then what we can do, and there we go. And that's just finishing up one. That makes this process a lot more easier. One second here. Okay, so here we go. View, shift colors, and Okay. So I guess what I can do is I can just continue to work on this character. Oh, what did I do? Oh, it doesn't matter. Just go back to our color swap. Or I guess our palette swap. Because that's what we're essentially doing with this guy. Oh, wait a minute. No way. I just noticed something. I want to try this out. Okay, so edit palette. No, shift colors. Let's do. Oh, no way. Can we do. Let's try the entire loop. No, we can't. Let's do this entire loop here. Okay, so. All right. Shift colors. Entire loop. Get out of here. That's cool. That's a lot of work taken care of. Oh, that is sweet. Oh, look at that. Oh, right on. What I thought was going to take a while has now taken at least a few minutes. Let's cancel on that one. That was just for that panel, not for that. Okay, so let's do for the entire loop. Now, had I been smart, I would have done the entire view. That would have just taken care of things in a snap. So all that's left for us to do really is just to go back and touch up. And that won't take too long. Let's just go ahead and finish this up. So I have something to show for today. All right. Yeah, shift colors. Okay, so all that's really left to do is to take care of this. So I think I'll go ahead and finish this up now. Now that we have, now that I remembered where this is, let's go ahead and save it right now. Oh, okay. Right. Let's continue to finish this off. View, shift colors. We're just about there. We got after this. I believe we have 2 cells left. And this is the bulk of it. This is really good. All right. All right. Got it. One more left. View, shift colors. That looks fine. All right. Let's save that. Let's see. We build the resources. X out of here. Okay. Yeah, do that. And let's win our game. I still love that. That looks just so cool. Win the game. And there he is. Still needs some work, but we're there. Okay, let's quit that. Yep. We need to edit that, don't we? Let's make sure our transparency is set correctly. Transparency is fine. Let's check our let. No. Don't want that. Okay, so that's what it's supposed to be. That's fine. Yeah, that's good. 2, 2. Yep, right here. I wonder what caused it. Okay. Well, that's nothing. We can work on that a little bit later. Get these jeans to a darker blue than lighter blue, but you get the point. That's fine. Okay, so that's one down. Now what I want to do is I want to work on this a little bit. All right. So what we want to do is we want to get we want to trace an image, load trace image. Yeah, this is it. Room 6 castle entrance. It'll be scaled. Okay, fine with the old scaling. It still looks just as good. All right. And okay, so we're going to be dealing with a lot of detail here, but that's okay. All right. How many colors do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 4. Oh, that's not a bad palette at all. I can definitely do something with this. Where is our? There it is. Okay. Now let's see. I think what I want to do as a test is to take an area on that a little bit. So let's look at that window. That window. All right. So let's just choose just a plain old color. Go with that. And we're going to keep this simple. Um, yeah, it looks all right. It's close. Here. Hmm. I think we can make this happen. Let's see. Let's do this guy here. About here, I think. What do we just draw? That's a window frame. All right. Oops. I don't know what this guy is, but it's an interesting detail. Oh, I think I know what this is. If it isn't, but I think it is, we can make it one. All right, let's see. Yeah, that'll be fine. I think that. Um, around here, maybe. And then let's see, out here a little bit. Back this way. Uh, here. Here. That might be too far. Ah. Where is our commands? Are we at the bottom? Yeah, we are. Okay. What did we just do? Just made an outline of a window. Okay, so it looks like we got some bricks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to finish up this window and then I'm going to call it a day here. All right, so what does that look like to you? All right, looks like we got. Let's change our pen again. Give it a thicker, dark gray kind of brick line here. So let's do that. Um, swing out the brick lines. Why isn't it? Right. All right, distracted. Get back to it. Come on. Let's see. It looks like we can do a print of part one here, maybe. All right. Let's see. That looks like we can fill that in. Wait. I what? Okay, hang on. Wait, wait. Visual. Wait. We did that. Get back here. Why are you? Oh, that is excruciating. All right. Why is that fill not working? Mm, unbelievable. What is going on? All right. Do we have to? Do we have to? All right. What's going on? Why isn't that fill button working? Say you have palette 1 where color 5 is enclosed. feels look different. It's different colors. Okay. Okay, so we got set visual 3. Okay, I don't know. I'm not going to be satisfied until this thing fills. It's not filling. All right, I'll figure that out. For now, I think we can leave this for the time being, and I think this is what I'll have to do. Every room will have to be hand drawn. All right, that's it. I think we can end this here.